Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these smart fairy string lights. This one here is 33 feet and it connects by USB. These are Twinkle lights with remote control. Alright, so right here we have these smart fairy lights. You can control them by the remote control or your phone itself. It has several different modes that you can change. This creates your own effects, scene select. You can play, edit, and create effects, so it changes different colors. These are LED colors. These are 5 volt 2 amp. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. So you can sync this with music. It's got a dynamic light sync to music, so while you're playing music or you're talking, it will sync to it. Here is the user instructions. This right here just tells you about the dimensions, what's in the box, how to connect to the app itself if you don't want to use a remote, and then it also shows the function of the buttons. So each button functions differently. It changes the modes. So this one has a DIY cloud ceiling, so it makes it look really nice and bright. Here is the remote control. You've got brightness, lowest, off, on, red, green, blue, white, purple, yellow, orange, green, and then it has your different modes. And this is the USB that you will plug into your outlet or a battery charger is what I'm going to do. So this is what the string of lights look like. This one is 33 feet long, which offers a lot of lights. So with this one here, you can create your own effects. You can make your room look super bright and nice. You could put this around your TV. So if you want the effect, if you're watching a movie or something and you get that nice little lighting effect, you can use these. So this right here, I'm going to plug into my portable charger. So I'm just going to put it right up in here. You can use a portable charger. You can plug it into a wall. It does have a button right here at the top, and that one will change it. If you don't want to use it by the remote control, you have an option to change it right here. So you've got the flashing mode. These ones are free ID LED applications. It works with iOS and Android, which allows you to set up the lighting in seconds. They use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can easily manage your favorite lights. You can group or combine multiple devices. So this one here has 100% addressable RGB lights, which come with a wireless remote control and a smart app. So you have more ways to connect with this. You can change these lights to any colors you want. You have mixing colors. They have flashing colors. So this one's to go brighter or to go lighter. So this one right here is just the flashing. So then you got the red. Okay, that was not working right now. Here's a green. We'll go back to the red. Then you got blue. And then you have white. You have to push these really hard for them to work. And I just see that it's a lot easier to use this on your phone, so you can easily change the lights. So these ones here are lights that can be used in outdoor as well as indoor environments. So if you're outside on the patio and you want to use some lights, these ones are really nice ones to use. In fact, I am going to connect this into my son's bedroom so he can have a little bit more lights. He likes to listen to music, so he can listen to music with this. So right now this is the music and we're talking. So every time we talk, it flashes to your talk, and then now my son is going to be putting on a song, so it's flashing right now as we talk, and I'm telling him to bring his music in here so we can start playing it along with his music. So we're going to go ahead and turn that music on, and I'm going to show you how it flashes. I'm not going to play any music with it. So right now it is actually playing a song from my son's favorite artist, Melanie Martinez. So while it's singing, you can see that it is flashing each time a beat hits or she sings a tune. So now you can change that to change different ways, so you don't have to have it just flashing. You can do it like this, and it's got pulsating, it's got solid, so you can change that. So what I'm going to do is take this and go install it into my son's bedroom. You do have a timer. You got 4 and 8 hours. So if you want to only run it with a timer, you can do that. So right now I'm just going to go take this into my son's room, install it in his room, and I will be back to show you the finished product. Alright, so right now we have it all set up in his bedroom. We have it all taped up, so you can see that it does change different lightings. Right now this is the white color. We're going to go ahead and change it to different colors. This one didn't get his whole room. He does need an extra one just to cover the other side, but we're going to go ahead and get one of those after this. I just wanted to do a quick review on this one. This one here is really nice. This is the red color. You've got the blue, the green, you got the purple, pink, and then it flashes. You have different modes to choose from. So this one right here is the blue white. light. So you can see that these are really super bright. They're really nice. So my son does not use a light in his room. This one lights it up pretty well. If you're looking for a nice set of lights to light up your bedroom or your gaming area or around your TV, I would highly recommend checking this one. These ones are super nice lights.